I wake up early. I wake up early. I make my bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink tea every morning. I drink tea every morning. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I check my phone. I check my phone. I leave for work. I leave for work. I go to school. I go to school. I catch the bus. I catch the bus. I drive to work. I drive to work. I start my day with a smile. I start my day with a smile. I study every day. I study every day. I attend my classes. I attend my classes. I complete my homework. I complete my homework. I work hard. I work hard. I answer emails. I answer emails. I take a short break. I take a short break. I drink plenty of water. I drink plenty of water. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I exercise every evening. I exercise every evening. I listen to music. I listen to music. I watch YouTube videos. I watch YouTube videos. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. I help my parents. I help my parents. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I clean my room. I clean my room. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I finish my work. I finish my work. I read a book. I read a book. I learn new words. I learn new words. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I plan for tomorrow. I plan for tomorrow. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. I say my prayers. I say my prayers. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. I sleep peacefully. I sleep peacefully. I repeat this routine every day. I repeat this routine every day.